Have you ever uploaded a video, refreshed your YouTube studio every few minutes, and still saw 0 views and 0 subscribers? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Every successful YouTuber started exactly where you are today, with no audience, no subscribers, and no guarantee of success. The good news is that reaching your first 1,000 subscribers isn't about luck. It's about following the right strategy consistently. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps you can take to grow your YouTube channel from 0 to your first 1,000 subscribers. Let's get started. The first step is choosing a clear niche. One of the biggest mistakes new creators make is posting videos about random topics. One day it's gaming, the next day it's cooking, then it's travel. This confuses both viewers and YouTube's algorithm. Instead, focus on one topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Whether it's technology, education, fitness, finance, gaming, cooking, or personal development, stick to that niche. When your content consistently serves the same audience, YouTube is more likely to recommend your videos, and viewers are more likely to subscribe because they know what to expect. Next, create videos that provide real value. Before you hit record, ask yourself one simple question: what problem does this video solve? People visit YouTube to learn something new, solve a problem, or be entertained. If your content helps viewers achieve one of those goals, they'll keep coming back for more. Don't worry about having the best camera or expensive equipment. A smartphone, clear audio, and useful information are more than enough to get started. Viewers care much more about valuable content than perfect production quality. Now let's talk about titles and thumbnails. These are the first things people see before deciding whether to click on your video. Even an amazing video won't grow if nobody clicks on it. Create clean, eye-catching thumbnails with bright colors, clear images, and only a few words of text. Your title should spark curiosity while clearly explaining the benefit of watching the video. Instead of using a generic title like editing tips, try something more specific like 5 editing tricks that make your videos look professional. Remember, the goal isn't to trick people into clicking. The goal is to make your content impossible to ignore. Consistency is another key factor in YouTube growth. You don't have to upload every day. In fact, uploading 1 or 2 high-quality videos every week is often better than posting daily low-quality content. Create a schedule you can realistically maintain and stick to it. Every new upload gives YouTube another opportunity to recommend your channel to new viewers. Another important strategy is learning basic YouTube SEO, or search engine optimization. This simply means helping YouTube understand what your video is about. Think about what your audience is searching for. Include those keywords naturally in your title, description, and even in your script. When your content matches what people are searching for, your chances of appearing in search results increase significantly. Getting clicks is important, but keeping viewers watching is even more important. YouTube rewards videos with high audience retention because they keep people on the platform longer. Start every video with a strong hook that tells viewers exactly why they should keep watching. Remove unnecessary introductions, keep your editing fast-paced, use visuals and text on screen, and avoid long periods where nothing interesting happens. Every second matters. If you're not using YouTube Shorts yet, you're missing a huge opportunity. Shorts can expose your content to thousands of new viewers very quickly. Create short, engaging clips from your longer videos or make original shorts that provide quick tips or entertaining moments. Many creators have gained hundreds or even thousands of subscribers from just a few successful shorts. Don't forget to engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts. Building a loyal community is just as important as gaining subscribers. People subscribe to creators they feel connected to. Finally, pay close attention to your YouTube analytics. Look at your click-through rate, average view duration, audience retention, and subscriber growth. These numbers tell you what's working and what needs improvement. If a particular video performs well, create more content around similar topics. Growing from 0 to 1,000 subscribers won't happen overnight, but it will happen if you stay consistent, continue improving your videos, and focus on helping your audience. Every successful creator once had 0 subscribers. The only difference is that they kept creating, kept learning, and never gave up. If you apply the strategies we've covered today, you'll be much closer to reaching your first 1,000 subscribers than you think. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future YouTube growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.